Hello, my name is Sheena Jane Albaliguat. I am 28 years old. I am single mom with two children, aged 10 and 5 years old. I completed my education in Colegio de Montalban. I work for the family of Mr. and Mrs. Rakin from 2018 to 2020. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning house and childcare, ironing, cooking of Filipino dish, but I also willing to train and to know the Chinese cook. I experienced childcare with my children. I feed, bath, and changing clothes and diapers to ensure that they are comfortable and safe. I choose to work in Hong Kong because of the higher salary I earn. I aim to help my family and also to support my children's education and for their better future. I am hardworking, patient, and honest person. To my next employer, I will do my best to serve your family and to finish my contract. Thank you. My nursery rhyme for your kid is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, up, diamond, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thank you.